This is a Zieger skid plate made specifically for the Kawasaki Versys 650 from the years 2015 up to 2022. Now, a lot of people hear the word skid plate and they may immediately think off-road riders only, but that is not the case for the Versys. This isn't just about dirt trails. This is about everyday protection. We're talking about rocks kicked up on the road, uneven pavement, or even just pulling into the driveway with a steeper angle. This skid plate is going to take the hit instead of your engine cases, and that's going to save you a huge amount of cost and future headaches as well. Now, this is built from 3mm thick powder-coated aluminum, so it's not just tough, but this is also resistant to weather and corrosion, and it doesn't look bulky on the bike either. That's a huge selling point for me personally. The black finish here is going to blend in really nicely with the bike's frame, so it's going to look like it came from factory with the bike, and it's not going to kill your look whatsoever. Now, another thing that I really like about this design is how it's going to mount on directly to the bike's original mounting point. So that means no drilling, there's no cutting, there's no sketchy installation process that you have to go through. You're just going to bolt this up and you are good to go. And another great point, it's still fully compatible with the original kickstand, and it's something that a lot of other skid plates on the market don't account for, so that's just another plus. Now, the installation of the skid plate is going to be really straightforward. You're going to get a full mounting kit included in the box. So overall, to sum it up, this is optimal protection from stone chips, road debris, and ground impacts. It's easy to install, it looks clean, and it's going to work with your existing kickstand as well. It's one of these upgrades that's going to give you peace of mind every single time you ride, whether you're touring, you're commuting, or you're just working in the garage. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you found any value out of this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.